Ugochi, I don't blame you. Yes! Because if I had not gone to your father's house to pay for your bride price, you would not have the effrontery to talk back at me. Shut up! I'm still talking. Ugochi, I go out of my ways. I stake my life in the bush to hunt for bush meat for you to eat. Just look at you. Now you are eating and you are getting rubbish. And now you have the effrontery to talk back at me. Father! Will you get out? Go inside before I pounce for you. And you, read my lips. Read my lips. You will never see or eat any bushmeat in this house again. Let me see where you will derive the strength to talk while I talk. Rubbish.
I'm sorry, please.
Wait for me. Just imagine.
Oh my God. Hey. Mother, stop crying. Please stop crying. You know how father can be. He has always been like this. This has always been his nature. Please stop crying. Don't mind him.
Mother, listen to me. I'm your son. I'm no more a kid. My father said that he won't be eating bushmeat in this house again. I will take the responsibility. I will go inside bush and hunt any type of bushmeat you want. I will provide it for you. It's a promise.
You see, Mother, Uchenna said he'll be catching any kind of bushmeat you want. So why are you still crying? I'll do the cooking. Stop crying.
It's okay.
No. I am tired of her. Now I know why our forefathers don't keep one wife. Eh? I am about leaving the house for her and her children.
Ikenna, my friend, it is an act of cowardice to leave your home for your wife just because you have issues with her. Eh? You see, okay, let me ask you. How are you even sure that the one you will get married to is different? Yes, because women are the same.
How? Look at the wife of Ugochukwu. Eh? Have you ever had pain from their marriage?
You have a point there. But I want you to understand that when a man stops complaining, or when a man doesn't complain about his wife, is either he is tired of complaining or he simply don't want to complain. Our reasoning and their own are never interwoven. They are like two parallel lines that cannot match. Okay, let me shock you. Do you know, before I left home to check my trap, I had a dispute with my wife. I was so angry that I scolded her and she was even vibrating. I even told her that she will never eat bushmeat again. My brother, I got to check my trap. I discovered that the antelope that was caught in my trap escaped. My brother, women are full of ill luck, especially when you have issues with them. She knew I wasn't joking when I said she wouldn't eat bushmeat again. Her ill luck made the bushmeat that was caught in my trap to escape.
So what are you insinuating?
Well, I am not insinuating anything. To tell you the truth, I almost decided to go and throw her out of my house. As I was even nursing that on my mind, I remembered what my father told me. He said to me that nothing works without work. The moment that came into my mind, I had a rethink. So I suggest, since you are married and I am married, I wouldn't be the one to tell you what to do with your home, but I would suggest you go home and work on your home. Even nwoke jikwa na-agba mbọ abụrụ ka o weta nri n'ụlọ ọkwa ka o nwee ike fụ na udo na-achị n'ụlọ ya. Akwa ịghọta. So I will suggest you go and work. We all have works to do.
Mana asị na ọ bụrụ n'ihi nwa. Achọkwa m na enwere ihe mmadụ na-achọ n'ike mmadụ ibe ya. Gwa eziokwu.
Ngwa n'ife ọzọ. Ngwa jee na jee ka ime ka ekwu.
Okay, my brother.
You're holding a bushmeat. Are you not a hunter?
It then begins a story. My father said that my mother will never eat bushmeat in our house again. So I went hunting.
So you're not a hunter. And you went as far as to hunt big ewe.
My sister, like I said before, it then begins a story.
Hey!
Kanna.
Uchenna the hunter.
Kanna.
Wonders shall never end. Uchenna is not a hunter. Hey! God will hear this. Uchenna the hunter. My mother said she cannot be alive when I marry Udo. What could her reason be? She said she has seen him with her elderly eyes. That if I marry him, I will suffer in his hands. That my love for him is bigger than his own love for me. That's why I like my mother. My mother believes you should marry whoever you like. My mother told me that I will only marry who I choose to marry. She said that I will be the one to choose who to marry. She believes that if you marry whom you want, anything that comes out of the marriage, you will be able to handle it.
I told you.
This one is big. Adake!
Go. I'm coming.
Adako! Hey! Come. Hey! Welcome. Hey! Mother, let me catch my face. Prepare it. Go.
Now take my bed.
Mama.
Yeah?
Look at this. Who caught it? My brother.
Yeah, I like Ewi.
Hey, you like Ewi? You like Ewi? I when I say you should marry him. You like Ewi?
Let me prepare this.
You want to roast it yourself?
Yes. We have to finish roasting the yam first.
This thing will be very sweet, eh?
The yam is not done, no. Are you sure? It's still not done. Look at it.
Ugom. Wow. You know, I have always known that you are a good cook.
I know you like this one.
Yes, yes. Where did you even get Ewi?
Oh, it's Uchenna. Uchenna cut it too. You know, they had you when you were telling me that you will not give me any meat again in this house. So he went hunting.
Did I even say that? It's because I was angry. But Uchenna, having fed for his mother, he has proven that he's a man. At least he can be able to fend for his family when he finally gets married.
It's true.
Ima, ndị ba esi nwoke ji ọfọ ya agba abụọ. Ugom, ite ya nnọọ, ịma ete. Where are they?
Oh, they went to see Ngozi off.
Oh.
Adaku's friend.
Okay. Wow. That was very, very nice, eh? Oh.
You are back.
No.
Go inside and get your food. I've dished them out, eh?
Mama.
Ngo, if you see the Ewe that Uchenna killed yesterday.
You mean the one I ate with them? How come? I was there when Adeko prepared it. Honestly speaking, Uchenna tried.
Yes. He said he went for hunting because his father refused his mother from eating meat. This is why he went for hunting.
He's good. His father tried. At least it will help him to take care of his wife and family when he marries.
You're right there. But Ngo,
What?
I can see it in your two eyes.
See what? Like?
You like him. You like him. Say the truth.
Which truth?
Mma. Where are you coming from?
I'm going to the market too. Are you?
As you can see, I'm just coming from the bush. I went to bring palm front for our good. They are very hungry.
My children, this one your faces are like this. What is the problem?
Our father shouted at you, called you names, even said that you won't eat bushmeat in this house again.
Exactly. And Uchenna went out of his way to hunt bushmeat for you. At the end of the day, he decided to share it with him. Why? My children, I am your mother. Let me tell you something. Do not get involved in any quarrel between husband and wife. Else, they will use you to settle their differences. Did you hear me?
Yes, mother.
Yes, mother.